So we have a Baxi with an E119 fault code, E119. It's a Duotec, and the 119 is low water pressure, which we can see there. So we're going to top up the pressure. So underneath here we have two blue taps. Number one, point it to the boiler. Number two, point it to the boiler. I can hear running water. It's the pressure going up. Yep, creeping up very slowly. And the boiler has actually restarted itself. So there's no need to reset this boiler. If we did, we turn that dial to the R, it's spring loaded. We hold it there for about 3 seconds and then put it back onto heating. Temperature going up, pressure gauge going up, and I'm going to just turn this off. No particular order. 1, 2, and we're done. Make sure these are properly closed, otherwise the boiler will keep on filling, overfill, over pressurize, and the pressure release valve will kick in at 3 bar, empty out, and you have to start again. And that's us, we're done.